With KeyDigital's courtroom communication system, the judge, plaintiff, defendant, and jury are all able to communicate while remaining socially distanced to ensure the safety of all parties. Information is shared via this localized system or any popular video conferencing software. Parties may distribute their content to one or all members involved to provide privacy when needed. Video conference mode allows detained witnesses or remote experts to be a part of the process without physically being present. The judge, plaintiff, defendant, or jury simply click their call alert button when they would like to speak or present. One operator controls all connections between parties with just a few clicks via KeyDigital management software that is included on the system PC. KDCCS utilizes a 1080p HD camera with controllable pan and tilt, 10 times optical zoom, and preset shortcuts at all stations, along with professional audio, video, and IT equipment. KeyDigital's courtroom communication system provides a secure, reliable, and flexible solution for the justice system. Case closed.